Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors. In these difficult times dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak, we must all be mindful of the guidelines that the governor and the president have set for us. That being said, I'm sure that you're all at home looking at all the projects, and I am, that need to be done around the house. Take a look at those floors. I think they need some attention too. Here at Duffy Floors, we can provide you with a virtual estimate for your flooring needs. All you need to do is give us a call at 781-395-3418 or email me at chris@duffyfloors.com. I'll need the room dimensions, the type of wood, maybe a video or a picture of the floor would be nice, and then what you'd like to have done. We can provide a comprehensive estimate for your flooring project, so when this is all over, you're ready to get that work done. You can also go on my website at duffyfloors.com to Ask the Expert page and book a time for a consultation. Whether your job's across town or across the country, we're here to answer all of your wood flooring questions. We'll all get through this together and we'll be better off and stronger than we were before. God bless America.